Can you predict how much cognitive load would a person have by watching their unconscious mouse movements without click events? The study is to find a relationship between unconscious mouse behavior that are not related to click events and the different levels of cognitive load. We assume that three types of mouse movements may show participants' workload. Moving frequency is about the count at how many times participants move their mouse. Movement duration is a gap between movements, and position changes are how far did participant move their mouse. We utilized the working memory part of ROS-bag affective dataset, which recorded participant movements during the dual MPEG game. We retrieved ROS topics for the front facial video, back, and mouse tracking data for analysis because our interest was to find relationship among behavior types. The main reason of utilizing the affective dataset was because the graphic user interface did not have buttons to indicate responses. Click events for buttons might interrupt to see if participant unconscious activities are caused by their cognitive workload. The video shows how participants were exposed to the modified dual MPEG GUI.
D D D
As the circle in the video shows, participants did not have to move their mouse pointer to indicate if their answers were to position match or audio match. When they moved the mouse pointer in the experiment, the mouse tracking position ROS topic saves each timestamp and the coordinate of the mouse. If there are two adjacent segments, we were able to get frequency, duration, and distance. The trajectories from 27 participants in the experiment are depicted in the images. Our statistical analysis on the mouse tracking showed the movement frequency correlates cognitive load, and the different numbers of frequency distinguish the low and high levels. We validated the NASA-TLX data if the dual MPEG game successfully derived three different cognitive workloads. The descriptive statistics and repeated measure ANOVA on ratings showed the workload are different among three levels. Also, eye blinking behaviors were extracted from OpenPose library to detect blink frequency and duration duration showed its significance differentiating low and high levels of cognitive workload. The result matches with the analysis on mouse behaviors. The study showed that unconscious mouse movements during cognitive processes occur. Also, the frequency of mouse movements may show the different cognitive workload by adopting a repeated measure ANOVA to show the significance between levels. Thank you for watching.